An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? So the first part of the question is, where shall the screen or where will the screen be placed to obtain a sharp image? That means position of image is to be found. And other than that, we have to find nature and size of image. So this question is about concave mirror. So for a concave mirror, the principal focus and center of curvature, these two lie in the left side of the mirror, and all distances to the left side are taken negative. And what is given to us in the question, let's first have the details of that. An object 4 centimeter in size. So height of object or size of object is 4 centimeter. Then the object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of the mirror. Object distance is always negative. Why? Because all objects are placed to the left of a mirror or lens. So object is placed, U is object distance. So object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter in front of mirror, obviously. And this mirror has a focal length of 15 centimeter. With this information, we have to find where the screen or the location where the screen has to be placed to receive a sharp image. That means we have to find position. Screen is a place to obtain image. So distance between screen and the mirror, that means position of image. We have to find position of image, that is V. We have to calculate. Other than this, we have to find nature of image. For nature of image, we can calculate magnification, or based on height of image or size of image also we can tell nature of image, that is whether it is a real or inverted. Size of image, if it is positive, virtual image. If it is negative, real image. And other than that, we have to find size or height of image. So these three we have to find out from the given details. So before going into the details, I'll write the sign conventions. Height of object is always positive. Why? Because object is always taken above principal axis, and all distances above principal axis are positive. And object distance is always negative, whichever be the mirror or lens. Why? Because object is always placed to the left of the mirror. And for concave mirror, focal length is always negative. Concave mirror or concave lens. If you see concave word, whether it is mirror or lens, focal length has to be taken negative. Why? Because you can see the ray diagram here. The diagram here, if a parallel beam of light rays are incident on this mirror, these parallel beam of light rays after reflection will converge or pass through principal focus. And where is principal focus? Principal focus is to the left of the mirror or left of a pole. So with this information, we have to calculate position of image. So we will apply mirror formula for the calculation. So by using mirror formula. And what is mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 by F is 1 by V plus 1 by U. And in the question, it is given to us focal length. Just now we have written minus 15, and that is 1 by V. V is our requirement, plus 1 by minus 25. And transposing the 1 by U quantity, that is 1 by minus 25 to the other side, we have 1 by plus 25 minus 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by V. And then we will take LCM of the denominators, 25 and 15, it will be 75. 75 divided by 25 is a 3. 3 into 1. 1 is in the numerator, that will be 3. Minus 75 divided by 15 is a 5. 5 times numerator means 1 is 5. And I just solve this in the parallel space here. So we have 1 by V is equal to minus 2 by 75. and reciprocating, we will have V by 1, which is minus 75 by 2, or V is in decimal minus 37.5, and we are working on centimeters, so I'll write the answer in centimeters. So the moment we get one of the physical quantities, we will give instant conclusion. So here we have a negative sign for image distance. V is image distance, the distance between pole and the image, or where the screen is placed. So here I'll write the negative sign or symbol of image distance indicates that image is formed to the left of mirror at a distance of 37.5 centimeter. So we have answered first bit. Now we have to find nature of image. For finding nature of image, I will be using the formula magnification is the ratio of size of image to size of object, and it is also the ratio of image distance to object distance. This is how we define linear magnification. And in mirror formula or mirror magnification, there is a minus symbol which I am putting here. I am going to use this part of the formula. So we are given in the question that we have to find size or height of image, and height of object is 4 centimeter. It is plus 4, then minus V, image distance is minus 75 by 2. We will take a fraction form for easy calculation instead of the decimal form, and object distance is minus 25 centimeter. So here we have HI by 4 is equal to, and then we have some simple cancellation. This minus we can cancel, and this 25 goes with this 75 in 3 table. So we have minus 3 by 2, and then we can go for one more simple cancellation. 2 goes here, and then on cross multiplication we have HI, which is 2 times a minus 3, that is minus 6, and it should be in centimeter. So once we found size of image is minus 6 centimeter, that conclusion may not be correct. Size of image is 6 centimeter. Our conclusion will come in another way, which I am writing here in the right side. So here, since H subscript I means size of image or height of image is minus 6 centimeter. Okay, so negative sign or symbol of image HI indicates that image, negative sign of HI indicates that image is formed below principal axis. Okay, below principal axis we can use the word inverted. So negative sign of HI indicates that image is inverted. And if image is inverted, it must be real. So hence, the nature of image is, or the image is a real image. Image is a real image. So nature of image is a real and inverted. Real and inverted. Okay. And HI is 6 centimeter. So what is size of image? Size of image, we should say 6 centimeter, not minus 6. Minus 6 is a small number. So size of image is 6 centimeter. Negative HI indicates the nature. That means where it is formed. It is formed below, so below the principal axis, so it is negative. So size of image is 6 centimeter, not minus 6. Minus 6 is a wrong usage. Okay, and also here we have one more conclusion. Also, HI or size of image is 6 centimeter, and in the question size of object is 4 centimeter. So here we understand that HI is greater than HO. So what does it mean? Its meaning is the image of the object is magnified. So image is magnified, and this is the solution.